Hello everyone, my name is Dimitri. We have a dog named Lesha, a Staffordshire Terrier. She's 9 months old. And we have a problem. Our Lesha is obsessed with bottles. That is, when she sees a bottle, her brain shuts off and she starts tearing it apart. And we just can't get rid of this. We can't take this bottle away at all. I mean, it gets to the point where the dog is all bloody. She cuts her gums. So, we kind of asked Antoine to help us with this problem. You can't even walk past here. For the next 15 minutes, you can just leave her alone. See, it's just impossible. She only starts tearing it apart even harder.
As you just saw, Lusha is obsessed with plastic bottles. First, she gets fixated, and in literally a few seconds, this state turns into an obsession. From Dimitri's story, he tried every method he knew, but he was never able to distract Lusha from the bottle. My task today is to prevent her mind from reaching that level. This is a very bad state, and we need to rid her of this state. Even in our human world, obsession leading to destruction is considered one of the very worst states. Walking next to the bottle gives me the opportunity to show the dog that you can walk with a bottle and pay no attention to it. In this exercise, my goal is to lower Lusha's level of excitement and bring her body and mind into a calmer and more controlled state. See, the eye contact is fading. She's not fixated anymore. See how I'm holding the leash? With 2 fingers. See the difference? I'm not pulling her. See, I'm not saying a word. I'm loosening the leash completely. My main goal is to present the bottle to her mind from a different perspective, from a different angle. I want to show her that she can look at the bottle without becoming fixated on it. By doing this, I'm breaking her established pattern and offering a new one of my own, where the bottle is no longer the object of intense focus. So, I'm training her brain to switch from one state to another, a much calmer one. Walk past a few more times. Pay close attention, so at the right moment, when her mouth closes, when she starts licking her lips, you must touch her. Just like that. See, the touch, it works. You just have to do it correctly and at the right time. Touching at the wrong time can trigger a negative reaction in the dog. It's crucial to touch at the right moment, in the right place. If that doesn't happen, the dog will escalate to the next level of behavior. My goal is to redirect her attention and her gaze back to me. This exercise should be repeated until the dog starts walking past the bottles calmly, without noticing them. That will be a very good result.
Now you can see that the dog has become completely calm around the bottle, whereas just an hour ago she was obsessed with it.
We've achieved a great deal. Now we are, roughly speaking, indifferent to these bottles. She's sitting calmly, with 4 bottles in front of her, acting completely normal. So, that obsession is gone. I mean, before, if she saw a bottle from 10 meters away, that was it, she'd start pulling. She sits calmly, but when she used to grab a bottle, we could literally hang her by the slip lead or the prong collar. It was completely useless. Now, well, there's this optimal level of control. And so, I'm very pleased with Antoine's work. Now I realize that I need to work on myself first and foremost, on how I relate to the dog. On the fact that you don't always have to show your love, you need to be a leader.
Personally, I believe that any dog can be rehabilitated, regardless of age or breed. There are no hopeless situations or hopeless dogs.